This video is another example of the usefulness of a 3D printed part in a workshop. This is a 4-inch metal vise. If you have one of these and you are a woodworker, then you should definitely watch this video. Metal vise is not expensive as compared to the wood vise because there are many manufacturers making these. Looking closely, most metal vise have grooves in their jaws. These grooves helps in holding any metal in the vise. Grooves usually don't have any problems if used on metal, but when used on wood, it will leave groove marks. I will clamp this wood to show you what groove marks looks like. If you look closely, you can see the groove marks on the wood, although they are not that big, but they are there. If you don't find this acceptable, then you have to install plastic jaws with no grooves. This is the 3D printed jaw I designed for my metal vise. There are two different colors so I could easily identify them to their exact placement on the vise. It is attached to the metal vise with M4 screws. The screw will press firm the jaw to the metal vise. You will see that later as I attach it. I designed this so that it can hold a metal nut. The metal nut is needed for a stronger hold to the vise. Both sides needs to have these screws for a more secure placement. The small dots or marks that you see are the grooves from the metal jaws. I have used these many times already and they work extremely well, preventing groove marks. The plastic jaw is attached as shown. I already put some label on it for a faster install. It would take no more than 30 seconds to attach it just by using a screwdriver. You have to secure this to the vise or else this will fall off easily when working and that can be frustrating. Some designs use very strong magnets to attach this, but I don't have magnets on hand. That is why I designed this using screws for attachment. Now for a demonstration. Just use the vise like you usually do and clamp the material as shown. You can press very hard and no grooves will appear because of the plastic jaw that prevents it. The plastic jaw is printed at 100% infill, meaning it is a solid plastic. So the strength of the metal vise will not break this if used properly. I have used this many times already and it has been very useful as a secondary vise. This will not replace a wood vise, but this is a better alternative than having a no vise at all. The design of the jaw is for a very quick install and removal. So if you want to use your metal vise for metal, you should remove the plastic jaw as not to damage it. Removing it is as fast as installing it. Just keep the plastic jaw near your metal vise so you can easily find it if you need it. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.